Metal. Hey everybody, it's Todd from Toji Racing. It's race night here. We've got 6 of my mates here. We're going to be doing some racing here in a minute. Real quick, we're going to open Kurt's X-Bow that's been sitting here for a very long time, really. Kurt, say hello.
Say hello.
Very good, perfect. All right, so we took the liberty of already cutting the sides, and we're going to go ahead and open this beautiful, beautiful car. Let me get it off the board real quick here. And we'll get a really close look at it, and then Kurt's going to go do some practice laps. Then we got a second video we're going to do with Mike's BMW, but we'll get to that in a moment. All right, here we go. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. I really like it. I love the center cab thing. It's quite sweet. Lots of sweet livery details. It's got a little KTM there. That's really cool. And liquid moly is apparently a really cool oil. I did not know. And it's got the air dams in the back for the whole GT3 thing. There's an upper view. And of course the driver livery matches the car, but it's really hard to tell on that one. But he's in there. All right, so let's go ahead and head into the track. A couple of the guys in there. Kurt's going to do a couple practice laps. Phoebe's in there making noise.
Somebody
That's cool. All right, we got to set Kurt's car up real quick.
Our track mascot's over there begging for food from Mike.
All right, speed's 5. Braking is at 3, which we learned from Dave. It works really nice. Phoebe, don't do that. And fuel will be at 3. And we'll key this into this. All right, take it away, Kurt.
Well, thanks.
Thanks, Dave.
You bet.
Dave helped me on filming. Kurt's just learned his car, so he's going to kind of take it a little easy. Contacts, Dave. We forgot to adjust the contacts. Phoebe, are you a good girl? Hey, stop, Phoebe. You'll get ejected if you don't. Dave's fixing the contacts real quick. Sorry about that. Okay, Kurt, go ahead. Try your lane change, Kurt. There you go.
Yeah, just as you said something. That's fast. No food.
It'll start blinking when you hit the brake. Phoebe, you're getting ejected.
Go ahead and hit that lane change.
There you go.
It's blinking. There it goes.
Yeah.
You're good.
You gonna get on it through that high bank, Kurt, or what? There you go. Phoebe, shut up. Our dog's terrible. The track mascot's being a jerk. All right, well, you guys kind of get the idea. Kurt kind of got sideways there. Very nice. We just wanted to do a quick little unbox and trial video here. So race night is continuing. We got all these hairy individuals over here.
You need to get in the outside lane, Kurt. Oh, okay. Get a little
We'll let Kurt do it. Yeah, there you go. That's not the outside lane. You can change lanes right there. There you go. All right. Well, that's all for this video, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Please give us a like and a subscribe if you like this slot car content. And that is all from Toji Racing for this video. Cheers.